Rennie, why are you looking so worried?
Oh, Kiko, tomorrow we have a test on hardware and software, and I know nothing about them.
Don't worry, I'm here to help you.
Really? Do you know what hardware and software are?
Sure, Rennie, let me tell you about them. A computer is made up of two parts, hardware and software.
What is hardware?
The parts of the computer that we can see or touch are called hardware.
You mean the mouse, the keyboard, the CPU, the monitor, the printer, scanner, and speakers are all hardware?
Definitely, Rennie. These parts are connected to each other by wires so that they can work together.
What about the parts inside the CPU? Are they called software?
No, Rennie. These parts like the hard disk, the motherboard, and the ROM are also hardware. You can only see them when you open the CPU.
Then what is software?
A software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware how to perform a specific task.
I understand. As the computer hardware cannot work by itself, so it needs some step-by-step instructions to perform a task given by a software.
Very good, Rennie. You are absolutely right.
So we cannot touch a software?
Yes, Rennie. You can see a software on the monitor but cannot touch it, just like a DVD video, which you can hold or touch, but you cannot touch the video stored in it. You can only see it on the monitor. So the video is the software. A software acts as an interface between the hardware and the user. It helps the user to give input to the hardware of the computer. It then helps the hardware to process the input and convert it into the output.
Are there different types of software?
Yes, there are mainly two types of software. They are system software and application software.
Let me know more about them.
The system software controls the overall functioning of the computer. It prepares the computer for the user to work and run application software. The operating system is an example of system software.
Isn't Microsoft Windows an operating software?
Yes, Rennie. It is the most popular operating system available today. Currently, different versions of Microsoft Windows are available. Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 are some of the versions available.
What are application software?
Application software is a software which is designed to perform one or more specific tasks on a computer.
Can you give me any example of application software?
Yes, Microsoft Paint is an application software. Using this software, you can draw and paint pictures on the computer. Windows Media Player is another application software by which you can play movies or songs. Microsoft Word is another application software which is used for typing, editing and formatting documents like letters, applications, articles and essays. MS PowerPoint is used for creating presentations on various projects to give demo. CorelDRAW is used for creating and editing beautiful patterns, design and graphics. Adobe Photoshop is used for creating and editing beautiful pictures, photos and designs. So you see, Rennie, these are all application software designed to do different things on a computer.
Yes, now I know a lot about hardware and software. I'm sure I will do very well in tomorrow's test.